How to withdraw money from Jolly Cash. So before anything, make sure this is an actual legitimate app, of course, because you are giving a bit of your information to the app. But if you're sure and it's fine with you, then just go ahead to the homepage. Right in the top right, you'll be able to see the withdraw option. Then you'll be led to this section over here. You'll be able to see your balance, and then its equivalent USD, I suppose. Now, depending on how much you're active in this app, it does take quite some time, since the earning is somewhat slow. But eventually, you should be able to get the quantity that you can get. There's no custom, unfortunately, so you'll only be able to choose either the $5 or $10 or whichever is available for you. But once you have reached that specific points for that quantity, then you just go ahead and choose the network again that is only available for you. And then in this case, it's only USDT, so you're gonna have to choose the network for that. And then just go ahead to your USDT wallet and copy its address and paste it over here. So make sure the network is the same as well to pretty much avoid any mishaps. Then just go ahead and press on the withdraw now option. Now you're gonna note that the funds can take 3 to 5 business days to arrive, and you're gonna have to verify your address to avoid transaction failure. And again, since you're giving away your address and wallet address, make sure this Jolly app is safe and legit before you do anything like that. But that's pretty much how you withdraw in this app apparently. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.